Welcome. Today I have some very interesting news. We just passed 500 subscribers on this channel, which is pretty amazing considering the content that's available here. Also, this is my 100th video, which is pretty insane if you think about it, because I started this channel 2 years ago. I didn't really have a clear goal. In fact, I don't have a clear goal. I just wanted to make tutorials and share my knowledge and my passion for what I do. And that's sort of drifted into game development, even though it's not one of my main hobbies. It still isn't. And I came to love Armory 3D for its capabilities at game development without needing me to learn new software, so I thought. But after like 2 years of making videos and 1 year of Armor 3D, we got a pretty large following with 500 people in here, and that's really insane. But the most important part is I think this channel can really go far. So now that I have a body, as you can see, I want to make more game development tutorials. Recently, I've been slacking a bit because I haven't really felt like going into Armor 3D and making stuff. But I want to do more. I want to not only include more game development tools and game engines, but also want to talk about more diverse topics. Now, some of you guys out there might already start panicking, saying, "Oh no, the only guy who does like regular Army 3D tutorials in English is going to leave." Oh no, don't worry. I'm not going to stop using Army 3D. I'm just going to not use it as frequently, and I haven't really been using it frequently anyway, so it won't change that much. I am going to try and use it more, but I'm also going to diversify my content. I'm going to talk about some more game engines and tools that aren't very well known and that do have a lot of power and that should have more of a spotlight. Sort of like Armor 3D. When I came to Armor 3D, there was only a handful of tutorials out there and none of them had any voiceovers. So I decided I'm going to help out the community and do some tutorials. Even though I had no idea what I was doing, I was not a game developer, I had never used a game engine before, I was purely interested and wanted to share knowledge. And so that's what I'm going to continue doing.